Hey, good morning YouTube. This is DevD Vlogs and today we are riding to two waterfalls near Satara. Those are Thoseghar and Vajrai. Today I am riding with my friends Vidish, Mayur and Anup, and one of my friends Swapnil will be joining us from Satara. So it's not raining in Pune right now and it's supposed to be a monsoon ride, so we just hope that we get some good rains along the way. It will take around 2 hours to reach Satara, so I'll just shut off my cam now and I'll just start it before Khambadki Ghat. So let's go.
My friend Swapnil will be joining us from there and good friends. काय लागतो सरक बदल सरक बोल आणि हँडल काय हवेत का हँडल काय दोरी लावून ठेवू का
ट्रायपॉड आहे रे ट्रायपॉड कॅमेरा ट्रायपॉड अच्छा
इज्जतच काढली आहे ट्रायपॉडची
माहित नाही
आहे का आपण समोर EMI संपायचं अजून
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow